Hello everyone, welcome to Coding with Ivan. Welcome to the playlist called Make Your First Android App. So in this playlist, I'll be making several videos on making your first Android app, like from beginning, like from downloading and getting started with the Android Studio, writing some codes, then generating APK files and then uploading them on Play Store. So let's get started. In order to get started with Android Studio, we need to download and install several files. So at first, we need to download the Oracle Jdk. I'll give the link of this website in the description. From there, you can visit this and scroll down a little bit, and then you will find all the downloadable files for Linux, Mac, and Windows. So for Windows 64-bit version, you have to download this one. For 32-bit, you have to download this x86 one. Okay, so after you download and install the Oracle Jdk, then you have to download the Android Studio. So for downloading Android Studio, we will go on this link. I'll also give this link in the description. From here, we need to click on this download Android Studio. That will download the Android Studio for you, and you can also visit here the download options. It will show you other options like for the Mac, Linux, etc. You can download this one, the exe installer. Okay, so after downloading this, you just need to install it. And one thing you need to make sure is that while installing the Android Studio, you need to keep your internet connection on, because while installing it will download several more packages. So for this it needs the internet connection, so make sure to check that. So after you download and install Android Studio, your Android Studio will look something like this when you will open it. So here in my case, it's showing my recently opened files here. In your case, that will be empty. So from here, we need to click on this create new project. So let's click on that, and it will ask to select a template. So for this one, we will select the empty activity, click on next, and here you can give the name of your application. In my case, I'll call this dice roller. Okay, and this is the package name com.example.dice roller. Let's change the package name like let's call this Ivan Imran dice roller, and this is the save location. Let's just keep it here. Then you can select the language like Java or Kotlin. I'll go with Java, and this is the minimum SDK version. So what this defines is, if you select this API 23, then your app will run from Android version 6.0 and above. Similarly, if you select the Android version 8.0, then your app will run on devices that are in Android version Oreo and above. Okay, so in my case, I'll just select this API 23, which is the Marshmallow, and that will cover approximately 84.9% devices. All right, so then we can just click on finish. Let's maximize this. Okay, some files are building here. Let's give this some time. Alright, so once everything is done, it will look something like this. So here it is your Java class, and then we also have the XML file for the UI, and you will get all your files inside here. Inside this, you will get your Java files. Inside the rest folder, you will have all your drawable assets, your layout files, and other stuffs like the color codes and the string files. Alright, and your Gradle files are here. Okay, we'll learn about all of them later in some other video. So let's move on to the next video, where we'll start coding for our dice roller application.